Hello, my friend. Thank you for signing up for my upcoming masterclass. Now, let me ask you a question. How much is 1 hour of your time? What would it cost me to have 1 hour of your time? Let me ask another way. What is the most you've been paid for 1 hour of your time? I remember I was struggling with this issue, and I heard this coach say, 1 hour of my time is $9.97. I thought she said $9.97. But then I waited, I listened, and she said, that's right, $997 an hour. I said, wow, I can't be mad at her. If she values her time that much, I need to learn what she knows. And sure enough, after investing, researching, and just doing the work to understand how to value my voice at $997 an hour, I figured it out. And in this masterclass, I'm going to break it down like a shotgun. I'm going to explain it to you so simple. You're going to be like, whoa, wow, never thought about it like that. This class is going to change your life. Can you imagine someone writing you a check for $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 for coaching, consulting, for some of your time? My friend, better yet, can you imagine people standing in line waiting to hear what you have to say? You see, I have worked with best-selling authors, coaches, and consultants, and they have embraced and employed these principles, and they are out charging their worth, receiving their worth, walking in their worth, and I want you to be able to do the same thing they are doing. So in this masterclass, we're going to be talking about how to value your voice at $9.97 an hour, and I promise you it's going to change your life, it's going to change your business, it's going to change your ministry, and it's going to change the impact of the legacy that you're going to be able to leave. I'm Dr. Fred Jones. I'm so excited that you have chosen to sign up for this masterclass. But before we come to class, I want you to remember two things. I'm going to leave you with two. Distractions are the death of your dreams happening in slow motion. That's the first thing. So don't be distracted. Come focused and be ready to play full out. And the second thing and the last thing I'm going to leave you with is this. Okay, I got the last thing I'm going to leave you with is the most expensive thing you will ever pay is attention to the wrong people. I'll see you in the class.